Hey guys, I get asked all the time how to make this magpie call just clear my throat, which is where it comes from. Okay, so if you want to do it exactly like me, you need to start off with, all right, just practice that tone, all right, and then go a little bit higher. So go, all right, and this all happens in the back of your throat, not so you can do it with your mouth shut. All right, so it's almost like a controlled scream, and then you got to mix it. So you go, and it sounds exactly like a magpie, and they will respond. It usually stops them swooping. Well, not usually, 100% of the time. So if you're being swooped, practice. Even if you went, I'm sure that'd work. So give it a shot. Good luck. Mark the Magpie Man. Thanks for following.